What's the meaning of amphibious? Amphibious. 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 Amphibious.
The term amphibious refers to organisms or vehicles that are capable of functioning both on land and in water. This may include amphibious animals, such as frogs and salamanders, or vehicles such as amphibious tanks and boats. The ability to function in multiple environments allows for increased flexibility and adaptability. However, amphibious organisms or vehicles often have specialized features that enable them to function effectively in both environments, such as webbed feet or watertight seals. Amphibious capabilities can provide a strategic advantage in certain situations, such as military operations or rescue missions in waterlogged areas.